Whitestone Realty Capital is optimistic that the resurgence in the commercial mortgage-backed securities market during 2011 is a positive sign for real estate developers looking for new loans or to refinance existing loans. While there's lingering distress in some commercial real estate loans, the increased demand in commercial mortgage-backed securities will help clear many of those distressed issues. Commercial mortgage-backed security activity in 2011 should see an increase to $50 billion, the first increase since the peak in 2007 when activity totaled $238 billion. The increased volume in CMBS loan origination is a welcome sign that liquidity is returning to the markets. Banks, hedge funds, and insurance companies account for most of all CMBS activity and have shown an increased willingness to lend across a broadening spectrum of sources. This increased lending activity is motivated by a stronger market interest in CMBS to raise portfolio yields. That isn't to say that lending standards have been relaxed. Coming out of the recent commercial real estate decline, lenders are focusing on deals that meet stringent loan-to-value ratios and debt service coverage requirements. CMBS originators are broadening their lending criteria as the market stabilizes, seeking quality loans just outside the comfort zone of the larger insurance companies. Whitestone Realty Capital analyzes each loan to maximize its potential for owners and to provide a non-recourse option with higher loan-to-value ratios, while at the same time giving CMBS originators quality loans having a strong risk-adjusted yield. Commercial property owners will benefit from Whitestone Realty Capital's extensive relationships with loan originators. As the number of participants in commercial mortgage-backed securities lending continues to increase, so will the competition for new commercial mortgage-backed securities deals. Although insurance companies and even the healthier large banks will lend on the best properties in desirable markets, Whitestone Realty Capital forecasts that property owners will see expanded lending as commercial mortgage-backed securities originators increasingly compete among themselves for the leftovers, broadening lending standards overall. Liquidity also seems to have returned to the apartment development business. There are lenders who are willing to make construction loans to strong and experienced apartment developers, spurred by the CMBS market. There are also private equity investors willing to invest alongside of experienced and strong developers. Whitestone Realty Capital has extensive experience in putting together equity and debt financing for development of apartment deals. At Whitestone Realty Capital, we're experts in commercial real estate, from pre-development planning to finance, including HUD and even new market tax credits. Our team also includes experienced real estate attorneys to advise on the legal aspects of the project. And our construction division can handle every phase of development and construction. Trust Whitestone Realty Capital to move your project to completion.